Hello guys, welcome back for another vlog. So ayun, nice. Hi. So ayun, so it's Fête de la Musique today here in France. And it's freaking 37 degrees Celsius, sobrang init. May heat wave din daw today. But of course, for the love of vlogging and for the love of skincare, welcome sa aking payong. Andito ako sa Châtelet. And also, ano pala ngayon, Father's Day. So, Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay dyan. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Happy Father's Day, Papa. And today as well, today also is the summer solstice. It's the longest day of the year. So, I think the sunset will be at around 9:57 p.m. or 21:57 today. So almost 10 p.m. So ayan. Kasama ko sila Mami and si Tita and si Tita Mitch. So ayan sila. So France will be a bit noisy today with all the music and all that. Init. Say hi!
Hi! Hi! It's too hot!
Hawak nila mga Jisoo life nila. And same last year, andito din kami. Pero last year naghalo-halo naman kami. I'm with Dad that time in Jeza. So 1 year ago na pala yon. Kung may makakita tayo ng mga nagkakantahan dito, pakita ko sa inyo. But for now, we're going to Yite. And mag-milk tea kami kasi sobrang init. Natawa sila sa aking payong. Si ako lang yung nakapayong. Sayang yung skincare. So this is our favorite spot for milk tea. Come in, come in. One pulpurine. Wait, the big one. Espes. Hello. Okay na. Okay, so here's what I ordered. Walang kamatayang purple rain. So you guys hear that? Maingay na sa paligid. Ano yung order mo, tita?
The sweet bomb with the additional red milk. Because I like milk.
Ikaw, tita, what did you order?
Hello, Okinawa.
Hello, Okinawa?
Yes. It's strawberry and the
Rain sorty. Baka rin order mo? Picture sa nag-hi tayo. So, tapos na kami sa Yite.
di ba?
Yan. Can you hear that? Di ba? Tapos na. Narinig niyo pa ba ako? Bashir. Before, dito sa area na to, napupuno to ng mga Pinoy. Diyan sila nag-perform. Ngayon doon sila sa Pokmayo eh. So, yun. Alam niyo guys, ang init. Tapos alas 8 pa mag-start yung set ng Philippine Fête de la Musique. So, ewan ko makapunta ako. Kaya I'm just getting tawag dito ng mga iba-ibang ano na lang para makita niyo yung Fête de la Musique. So basically, ayun, everywhere has music. Every kanto, every eskinita, may mga kantahan. And yun, maingay ang Paris today. So as you can see there, yun, yung bar doon, lakas ng music niya. May mga live music din naman, kagaya yung kanina, and yung sa mga metro. So yun. Mama. Yun yung Hotel de Ville. Masok kami dito sa Lush. So ayun, and since nga Fête de la Musique today, most metros are actually operating 24/7.
Monsieur?
No.
Monsieur?
No.
Attention, monsieur.
No, 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 no. No. So, ayun. So, since uso rin magbasaan, nabaril ako. So, ayun nga. May mga nambabaril eh. Tapos si madam sabi niya, huwag kang pamayag.
Babaril na.
Nang water gun lang naman. So, it's just ano lang naman yun, laro. Paano mabasa? Yun nga, yung in-explain ko kanina, during the Fed, open or nag-operate ang tram, metro, some buses ng 24 hours. Yeah, some of them. Hindi lahat pala. Tapos, ayun, maingay ngayon dito sa France because of the festival, the music festival. Ayan. Tawag kami sa kabila. Kasi mainit. And since 8 p.m. pa yung 8 p.m. pa mag-start ang set ng mga Filipino Music Festival sa Pokmayo, hindi ko alam makakapunta pa ako kasi sobrang init. Gusto ko na lang umuwi. And Sunday today, bukas Monday na may pasok. So, I'll try to check and see what will going to happen there. Pero today, we'll try na lang to go dun sa art sa may Pont Neuf kasi di ba binalot nila yun. Oh, ang lamig naman dito. Ang lamig. So, ayun. So, papakita ko na lang siguro sa inyo yung mga nangyayari dito sa Paris. Well, most of na mga bars, mga restaurant, they can make their music louder. Madaming nagda-noise barrage. dito. So masaya, masaya. And for the third year ko na kasing parang medyo active sa Fête de la Musique. Dito ko nakikita yung mga French that they can express themselves. Bibili sila ng gusto nilang damit. Ayun, wala lang. Feeling ko yun yung time na they can really express themselves. I think. Well, French are generally maporma. Pero ngayon, very, alam mo yun, very Coachella yung mga pormahan nila. Like this. Talagang masasayang ang skincare. Diba? Diba? This is 59 Rivoli. This is actually an open museum. Pero packet siya. And, dapat yan. Yung harap I mean. Tara, tara, tara. Hindi naman sa pang-ano. Diba? Pang-artista. Okay, so this is the top floor of Lisa Macta. So, nung 1870, when it started operating it, this is just, you know, a normal mall, normal department store that's selling normal things. Like, it's targeting middle class and working class ng mga products nila, like yung groceries, things for carpentry, architecture, and all that. And then when Louis Vuitton acquired this, they closed it noong 2005 and reopening it after its restoration. And yun nga, yung nag-reopen siya noong 2021 after 14 years nung renovation niya and restoration. So ayun, and now this is one of a must visit pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Paris. Kasi andito lahat ng luxury brands here in France are here. You can see it here. So, ayun. So, dito ako sa floor 0. This is, andun ako sa taas kanina. So, yan. So, ayun. Papunta na kami ng Pont Neuf. Ito yung famous na Jellycat. Ito yung nahanap ko na bag. Yung Topology. Pero ala yung kulay na gusto ko. Effect niya. And then, ganda. May photo booth dito yung cavern na pupuntahan namin. Okay na? Ito na nakuha namin. Yay! That's La Caverne by JR. It's a French artist. It is actually inspired by the 1985 artwork by Jean-Claude and Christo when they wrap also the famous Pont-Neuf Bridge. So pasok tayo dyan, but we need to go on the other side para makapasok sa loob. Kasi exit pala to. Okay, so ito na yung La Cabane de Pont-Neuf. So open siya temporarily from June 6 to the 28th of July. So ayan, papasok tayo dun. Yan na siya. Napakainit. The payong is life. Going in. Wow. So this is the inside of the cave or the La Cabane de Pont-Neuf. Wow! Sabi ko ang dili. Nakasalamin ko pala. So normally this bridge is accessible by car, pero they close it just for the artwork. Wow. It feels like you're under the iceberg. Just that mainit. Oh, Elfi Fuad. Elfi Fuad. This is it. This is the La Cabane de Pont-Neuf. Bye-bye. So this is the exit.
The exit. Picture tayo ulit doon, solo-solo.
Okay, so I think I'm ending my vlog here. So hindi na siguro ako pupunta sa Fête de la Musique ng mga Pinoy kasi ang init talaga. Uwi na lang ako. So ayun, thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!